deer chew. Deer have completely cut this. I'm going to splice this together. I'm going to use a one-handed tool, only because the two-handed tool is up farther in the woods. So you can see a certain amount of this has got to be replaced. It's totally destroyed, and you can even come back farther here. It laid on the ground for a little bit. I'm not sure if they just consider it to be browse or what. Anyway, I'm going to find out hopefully where it's chewed through, put another piece in, and then put another drop